Hi everyone, right now we will create simple drag and shoot for the ball mechanism. But before that, we must able to get the input from mouse click. I know we will target Android later, but right now we will develop it in Windows, so yeah, we need to capture the mouse input. Okay, let's do this. First we need to create a script. So just right click, create, and C# script. And we will call it ball because we want to set it into the ball. And let's open it. For starter, let's get the mouse input. Remove the command. If input.get mouse button down equals to 0 because we want to set it as left click, and debug.log input.mouse position. Okay, let's see. Don't forget to attach the script to the ball. Click the ball and we can drag the ball script to here. Okay, let's start. Open our console and see the message. See, it's capturing our mouse input. But right now the coordinate isn't right. If we take a look at this ball right here, the position is only 0.0 and 1.4. And here we can see the mouse input is too big. It's because right now it's capturing our screen coordinate. What will we do is convert from screen coordinate into world position. It's easy, and we can use our main camera for converting the screen to world. Now let's capture our camera using camera.main. This is our main camera. And if you wonder how we get this into the camera object, it's basically because of the tag main camera. If you change this, you can't get the camera from this command. So camera.main.screen to world point. And we can give input mouse position as the parameter. So it will convert the value into world point. Now let's see the coordinate. Play. Okay. Now the coordinate is reasonable, right? After we can get the mouse position, we need to make the drag and shoot system. So we need to capture when the mouse starts to click and hold, drag, and when it's released. So we can get how much the power we can get from our pull. I hope you understand what I am saying. If not, please just ask in the comment section and I will answer it. Stop this, and now we need to capture the mouse position into the start point. So create variable private vector. I want to use vector 2 because we are using 2D. Vector 2 start position, and get this as our start position. As you can see, the function already converts to the vector 2 automatically, so it's good. And we need to capture when the mouse is released. So if input.get mouse button up, again left click and private vector to end position. And position is using the same script. Now we can get the range of end position and the start position and convert it as our power to launch the ball. Just so you can see the value, we will debug this thing, start position, debug, and position. Okay, let's see in the console. Play. And if we click this right here, 1.3 and 1.9, if we drag here and we release, we get minus 3.5 and minus 1. So we can convert this into vector direction and also a power and launch the ball using this value. I will cover it in the next video. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. I will answer it if I can. If you like this kind of video series, please do like and subscribe. You'll find more and more complete project tutorials later. I also have Patreon if you'd like to support me in doing more of this. I'll leave the link in the video description. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.